Hello guys! What features enhance productivity on Electra 2 hydros? During the development of Electra 2.0 hydros, our aim has been to achieve top performances in terms of effectiveness. To reach this very important target, we developed a new adjustable high-performance water jetting unit, delivering an increased washing effect that, together with the consistent evolution of the complete adjustable and fully electrical washing bar, provide a faster and more aggressive washing performance. On top, the availability of the larger water tank and electrically controlled side water jets allow an enhanced reach of the breeze even in the most challenging situations. Can you believe all of this is possible maintaining an unbeatable working time? For more info, a demo, or just to be updated on our latest news, please catch up on our site, Instagram, LinkedIn, and of course, Facebook.